Have you seen all the Sunday reset videos that make it look like you have to spend your entire day scrubbing just to feel prepared for the week? Let me show you a calmer way. It's what I call my Sunday setup. Hey, gorgeous. I'm Michelle, mom of four, grandma, and your self care and confidence coach. And around here, I believe that you don't need a total life overhaul, just small, simple strides that make balance possible every day. For years, Sundays used to be my panic clean, get ready for Monday scrim, right? And even when the house was spotless, I would still wake up on Monday feeling overwhelmed. That's when I realized that a reset exhausted me. And what I needed to do was create a setup that supported me. And now my Sundays are simpler, calmer, and they set the tone for the entire week. If you're craving a calmer way to start your week too, hit subscribe because every week I share routines and self care that actually fit real life. Back when my kids were younger, Sundays could so easily get swallowed up by the panic prep for the week ahead, right? The laundry, all the sport, the schedules for everyone, groceries, all of it. But I didn't want Sundays to just be about scrubbing and rushing. I wanted them to be about family time. And that's when I started leaning into what I now call my Sunday setup. It was a way to prepare for the week without missing out on the day. And here's the thing. I thought when my kids got older that I wouldn't need it anymore, but I learned the hard way that I still do. I was away for a while taking care of my mom when she was sick, and menu planning went completely out the window. Everyone was ordering out. Things just felt scattered, and life felt heavier, and it was already very heavy. So when I came back home, I picked back up with my setup, planning dinners, making my grocery list, even choosing one night to enjoy cooking because that gives me peace sometimes. And it was like I finally got my footing. That's why I love this routine. It works in every season of life. Whether you're in the thick of it with kids and schedules, or you're navigating a new chapter, a Sunday setup makes your free time actually feel like free time. It doesn't just prepare you for the week ahead, it supports you so that you can step into it in a calm and confident way. I'm going to walk you through my 3-part Sunday setup, the routine that helps me feel prepared without burning it. Step 1, brain dump. Clear the mental clutter. The brain dump is like taking everything that's swirling around in my head and it goes onto paper. The to-dos, the appointments, even those random thoughts that pop up, dump them onto paper. And once it's out of your head, you can prioritize what really matters. Prioritize, delegate, or eliminate. Whew, gone. Second is menu plan. Plan what nourishes you for the week. It's just a simple plan for dinners and a grocery list to go with it. And this one step has saved me so much stress, time, and money for sure. Instead of scrambling at 5 o'clock or ordering out, I already know what's on the table. And that piece carries into everything else. Finally, end it with a cozy ritual for you. So for me, it's like a home facial or manicure, a quiet cup of coffee, or sometimes even journaling. This signals my brain that I matter too. And it makes the whole routine something that I actually look forward to. So that's it. My Sunday setup. Brain dump, clear the mental clutter, menu plan, what nourishes you, and end with a cozy ritual. It is simple, it is doable, and it sets me up so that I can step into Monday calm and confident. If your Sundays have been leaving you more exhausted than refreshed, I would love for you to try this Sunday setup this week. And if you're curious what kind of self-care routine actually fits your lifestyle, take my free self-care style quiz. The link's below, and I would love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, what's one thing that you would love to include in your Sunday setup? And remember, gorgeous, you don't need a reset that drains you. You need a setup to support you. I'll see you next time.